Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Studio Fancy. In this video, I show you how to use drawing tools. So, in this part, I show you only 12 drawing tools. So, let's see how to use those tools. Pen tool. Using pen tool, you can draw connected lines and curves with using anchor points and direction handles. Add anchor point tool. This tool lets you add anchor points on paths. Delete anchor point tool. This tool lets you remove anchor points from paths. Anchor point tool. Using this tool, you can convert from corner points to smooth anchor points and adjust the direction handles if smooth. Holding Alt key, you can adjust only one direction handle using this tool. Curvature tool. This tool lets you draw and edit connected lines and curves easily using anchor points. You can draw a straight line in this tool holding Alt key. Shaper tool. Using this tool, you can sketch rough, freehand shapes. Pencil tool. Using this tool, you can draw freehand paths like drawing with a pencil. Smooth tool. This tool helps to draw over an existing path to smooth it. Path eraser tool. Using this tool, you can erase parts of a path segment by drawing over the path. Join tool. This tool lets you join two paths to create a single path. Paintbrush tool. Using this tool, you can apply brush strokes freehand. Blob brush tool. This tool lets you draw filled shapes freehand. So this is the first part of drawing tool introduction. I think you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.